Keen on getting a cozy space for yourself in a vibrant and growing location? Look no further, welcome to 456 Sengkang West.
Sengkang West is an exciting neighbourhood, just a short walk from Fernvale LRT with easy access to bus stops, supermarkets and Seletar Mall. You're never far away from anything you need. Plus, there are many good schools nearby, like Fernvale Primary and Sengkang Green Primary, making it a great place for young families. With car-sharing amenities in the multi-storey car park and sheltered walkways all the way to the nearest bus stop, you will never have to worry about the weather. Come with me as I take you on a tour of this lovely two-room unit at 456B Sengkang West Rd. This newly MOP'd two-room HDB is perfect for anyone looking for a move-in ready space. Size at 517 square feet, it's been beautifully renovated, featuring a modern design with platform storage both in the living room and bedroom to maximize space. You'll love the functional layout and ample storage. This kitchen is just the right size for whipping up your favorite meals. And with plenty of storage, keeping things tidy will be a breeze. Check this out, a bathroom spacious enough to fit a bathtub, not something you find every day in a HDB unit. And of course, one of the highlights of this unit is a beautiful rooftop garden that is connected to this level, giving you a peaceful and green outlook right from your doorstep.
Interested? Get in touch and let's make Sengkang West your new home.